In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy based entirely on the Heikin Ashi. What you're looking at is a 1-minute chart. These candles are color-coded depending on if we have a green Heikin Ashi candle or a red Heikin Ashi candle. And I'm able to view the state of the Heikin Ashi on the regular candlesticks thanks to a very special indicator that I created called the MMT Ultimate Heikin Ashi. I'm going to go over exactly how I trade this in just a little bit. Here I've got the MMT Ultimate Heikin Ashi on the chart. I'm only using the most basic, simplistic feature of this indicator, the Heikin Ashi trend, with a trend change strength of 1. So if I put this into Heikin Ashi candle mode, you'll see these are the actual Heikin Ashi candles. These are all green Heikin Ashi candles. These are all red Heikin Ashi candles. But I can choose to display the regular candles. And now these are color-coded to match what the Heikin Ashi is doing in the background, while allowing me to focus on the price action of the regular candlesticks. There are also several other Heikin Ashi logics included with this indicator that I go over in great detail in many of the other videos on the channel if you're interested in learning more. This is the New York Open session. I'm looking for a color change on the Heikin Ashi. So here we get a color change. We've got a green Heikin Ashi candle. So after this first candle appears, I'm looking for a breakout above by a few points if it's a green candle, or below by a few points if it's a red candle. And if the market is a little bit more volatile than usual, like it has been lately, I might look for a 5 or 6 point break. Just kind of depends on the current market volatility. But either way, I want to wait for a break above after this candle appears. Then I would put my stop below the low of the entry candle. The way I personally trade, I'm going for scalps. I'm also looking at other key levels on my chart and higher time frames. But in effort of explaining this as simply as possible, I'm just going to show you the Heikin Ashi breakouts. So in the next candle, we get a break above. We pop up over 45 points in a few minutes. Here's our next color change. Red Heikin Ashi candle. So I'm looking for a break below the low here. Next candle, we get the break lower. We pop down 80 points in a couple minutes. Here's our next Heikin Ashi color change. Looking for a break above. There's 25 points. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Looking for a break below. 50 points in 1 minute. Here's our next color change. Green Heikin Ashi candle. No break above, no trade. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Break below. We pop down 40 points in a couple minutes. Heikin Ashi color change. Looking for a break above this candle. We shoot up about 70 points in a few minutes. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Break below. We move down over 150 points. Green Heikin Ashi candle. Break above. Over 25 points. Red Heikin Ashi candle. No break lower, no trade. Green Heikin Ashi candle. No break higher, no trade. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Break lower. Almost 50 points in a couple minutes. Green Heikin Ashi candle. Break higher. 20 points. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Break lower. 20 points. Green Heikin Ashi candle. Break higher. Over 60 points. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Break lower. 30 points. Green Heikin Ashi candle. Break higher. 40 points. Red Heikin Ashi candle. No break lower, no trade. Green Heikin Ashi candle. Break higher. 35 points. Red Heikin Ashi candle. Break lower. 60 points. So using the Heikin Ashi, we can stay on the right side of the trend and waiting for confirmation breakouts. We can avoid some of the fake out breakouts. And then I'm also using things like delta, moving averages, key levels, higher time frames, volume, different levels of support and resistance, basic price action. I'm factoring a lot of different things in when I'm considering a trade, but having a basic core of the Heikin Ashi can be very helpful. There are links to the MMT line of indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Greatly appreciate the support. I also appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.